Imagine waking up in the morning, stretching out your arms, stepping into the sunlight, and fueling your body just like a plant. No breakfast, no hunger, just pure energy from the sun. But what would really happen if humans could photosynthesize like plants? Fact, the realm of stupefaction. Follow us across socials. Stay stupefied. Photosynthesis is the magical process that plants use to turn sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into sugar and oxygen. It all happens in tiny green structures called chloroplasts, filled with chlorophyll, the green pigment that captures sunlight. To photosynthesize, humans would need chloroplasts in their cells. That means genetically modifying our DNA to carry plant-like traits, a biological leap that merges plant and animal at a cellular level. Our skin would become greenish to support chlorophyll production. We'd likely need more surface area exposed to sunlight to absorb enough energy, so clothing trends would dramatically change. Daily habits would shift. Sunbathing would become a necessity, not a luxury. Breakfast might become optional, replaced with 30 minutes of direct sunlight exposure to generate glucose. But here's the catch: photosynthesis is shockingly inefficient. A large tree leaf produces only a few calories a day. Even if humans maximize their skin's surface area, you'd generate only about 20 calories per hour in full sunlight. You'd still need to eat. Photosynthesis might supplement your diet, but it would never fully replace it. Think of it more like a snack, not a full meal. Unless humans evolved to grow large, leaf-like appendages or develop green fur to increase surface area. But would we still be human? Living in cloudy cities, or working night shifts, would be a huge disadvantage. We might need charging stations, or artificial sunrooms just to stay energized. This new biology could shift human migration. Sun-rich regions would become prime real estate, possibly leading to global population reshuffling. Imagine companies offering sun exposure breaks instead of lunch. Offices might be designed like greenhouses to boost employee energy levels. Education systems would adapt too. Children would need daily sun exposure just like recess. Schools might implement sun hour to ensure healthy development. Food scarcity might be reduced, as people require less to survive. That could reshape global agriculture, economy, and even eliminate famine in some regions. But the ethical questions would be massive. Should we alter human biology so drastically? What are the risks of merging plant DNA into ourselves? Over time, humans might not just photosynthesize. They could evolve bioluminescence or become less reliant on traditional food, blurring the line between what we are and what we could be. With reduced food production needs, greenhouse gas emissions would drop. Fewer animals raised for food, less land used for farming, Earth could breathe again. Former farmlands could become forests again. Humans might work in tandem with nature instead of against it, literally growing green. In theory, humans could survive longer underwater, as plants do, using sunlight and dissolved carbon dioxide, giving birth to aquatic civilizations. And what about space? A photosynthesizing body would be ideal for Mars colonization, where food is scarce but sunlight is abundant. We might become the ultimate space explorers. But not everything would be rosy. Sunlight could become a commodity, and inequality might deepen, with the rich accessing premium solar exposure while the poor live in the shadows. If this power became a trend, genetic modifications might be chosen at birth, leading to a new class of enhanced humans. Culture would evolve too. Art, fashion, even music could be inspired by the rhythms of the sun, our biology shaping creativity itself. We'd be witnessing evolution, not over thousands of years, but within decades. From meat eaters to sun feeders, humans would take their place as solar-powered beings. In the best-case scenario, this change wouldn't just benefit humans, it could help the planet heal, creating a new harmony between nature and mankind. So, what if humans could photosynthesize like plants? Maybe we'd become less hungry, more sustainable, and just a little greener. One thing's for sure: the future would be bright, literally.